Hello, this is Professor Kinney, and today we are looking at paragraph formatting features and text formatting features in InDesign CS4. To begin with, we have some text here which has been previously input into InDesign, and I want to focus our attention here at the top of the screen just to illustrate the dashboard area of CS4 and some of the features that are available in it. You will notice that the area is split vertically into two sections. One relates to character formatting, that's denoted by the letter A here, and the other using the paragraph symbol, or it looks like a backwards P, for paragraph level format. To look at what's available, we have various alignment strategies here. By clicking with our text tool, located here in the toolbox, we can choose either flush left, centered, flush right, justified, flush left. In justified flush left, it doesn't bother to try and give you a flush left and a flush right on the last line. This is important for very short last lines. It avoids a situation where if you use full justify, you get very unsightly word spacing. So that is left justify. Justify center, centers the very last line if it's too short, and you can create alignments relative to the spine of a book publication, where you have left and right-hand pages in a book. We are also able to determine indentations of paragraph. This is the indentation for the left side. We can indent the first line of a paragraph by a specified amount. We can indent the right side of a paragraph, and we can indent the last line of a paragraph. In terms of creating separation between paragraphs, we have paragraph spacing before, and this would be better seen by showing this paragraph here. If we specify space before, you'll notice it adds it in. We can also specify space after. And we can have, therefore, before and after spacing. We can also give what's called initial capitals, and we can do that for a series. You'll notice that it will capitalize a series of letters. And so this is a special effect, of course, that you would use to mimic the 9th century Irish manuscript tradition. Keep in mind that a paragraph, when properly structured, gathers together a number of ideas in sentence form, and that ideally a paragraph represents an entire idea or series of ideas. And as your focus changes from one idea to the next, you should consider creating a new paragraph. Now, a new paragraph is created by hitting the return key on your keyboard. Creating a line return, on the other hand, or line advance, is achieved by holding down Shift return. Creating a column advance is done by entering the Enter key. You'll notice that the text has advanced to the next column. And doing a Shift Enter advances your text to the next column on the next page.